Welcome friends to Sheetal's World of Recipes. Today we are going to make a very delicious and nutritious recipe from makhana known as Til Gur Makhana or Jaggery Sesame Makhana. Makhana is also known as lotus seeds. Let's see the ingredients. We need 100 gram makhana, that is lotus seeds, 1 cup jaggery or gur, 1/4 cup til, that is sesame seeds, and 3 tablespoon ghee. Now first we will dry roast makhana. Take pan, put it on the low flame. Add makhana in it. We need to roast makhana on the low flame. Roast makhana until they are crispy and crunchy. In between keep on stirring so they don't get burned. Our makhana is ready. Off the stove and remove it in a bowl or a dish and let it cool down. Take the same pan and add 3 tablespoon ghee in it. Put the stove on low flame. Add 1/4 cup til or sesame seeds and roast on the low flame for about 2 minutes. Add jaggery in it. Keep on stirring jaggery continuously. Color of the jaggery will start changing. At this point we will see whether our syrup is ready or not. Take a bowl of water and add 2 to 3 drops of jaggery syrup in it. If it forms a hard ball, then our syrup is ready. Off the stove, add roasted makhana in our jaggery and sesame syrup. Mix everything well. Coat the syrup completely. Immediately put Til Gur Makhana on the tray or dish to cool down. Once Til Gur Makhana cools down, we can easily pull apart makhana. Friends, enjoy the nutritious and delicious recipe Til Gur Makhana or Jaggery Sesame Makhana. Friends, here we have used all the three ingredients which are very healthy: sesame seeds, jaggery, and makhana. Friends, for the new and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel Sheetal's World of Recipes, like and share, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.